Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn USDT in Binance. So there are a bunch of different ways with the help of which you can earn USDT in Binance. So we will go through each one of these steps one by one, okay? So once you come here inside your Binance application, on the home page itself, you are going to see the option of more. So once you tap on more, you will be landed here in the services. Over here in the search bar, if you search for earn, you will find the option of earn here. So tap on the option of earn, then you will be landed here on this page. Now you can deposit your crypto over here and get paid in USDT. For that, you need to choose the flexible savings, where you can basically withdraw anytime, or locked savings, which give higher rewards if you keep funds for 30 to 120 days. Basically, it is like you are staking your USDT and earning USDT in return. Now, the second way of making money with Binance is with the help of launch pool. Over here in the services itself, if you search for launch pool, you will find this type of option here. So once you tap on launch pool, you will be able to stake BNB, TUSD and even USD to farm the new tokens. So this is different from the previous one. You are going to receive another coin which are basically going to launched when you hold certain amount over here. Later you can swap those tokens into USDT directly. So it is an easy way for you to earn extra money without trading. Now you can also do P2P with the help of it. You can basically buy and sell crypto directly with other users. This way too you can earn profits in USDT. So this is how you can basically earn USDT in Binance in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.